In the given world, if O was unpaired with just Nestle, the immediate president then how many are placed in the Newfoundland balance with just nest letter? 7 friends are of different height but not necessarily in the same order. F is not taller than A. D is taller than E. Exactly two portions are shorter than B. E is taller than G. E is taller than G. Who is shorter than C? G and C is also taller than G. F is shorter than D but not shorter than E. Okay. C is shorter than E. D is not the tallest person. A, D, F, E, C and G. G and C. Who is third tallest person? F. Who is the second shortest person? C. How many persons are taller than G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Point A is 8 meter west of point Z. Z 8 meter. Point B is point Z is 6 meter north of point B. A down here. A is 3 meter to the south of point H. B. Point B is 5 meter east of point C. Point E is point C is 4 meters south of point D. H, Z, B, E, F, D, C. Point E is 7 meter west, 7, 3 and 4 meter west of point D. Point F. Point E is 5 meters south 5, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 5 F, and point F is 2 meter east of point G. In which direction is point G with respect to point H? Where is point H? West. What is the shortest distance between point A and point C? Point A and point C. 3, 6, 6, 3, 36 and 9, 45. 4 of the 5 AGD, D, FA, HC, ZE, who is Z? FB, ZE. 6 persons work in an organization at 6 different destinations. और इसमें बहुत सारे वेरिएबल्स है तो ये बाद में 6 persons sit in distance from there where some person facing north and some person facing south is more than they also like different. ठीक है ये 6 seconds from one of the estimates and also the other one like B is C 6 on the left of B. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. A 6 seconds from one of the ends. A 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6 seconds from one of the ends. A 6 seconds from one of the ends. One person sit between A and the one who like green, green, green. B is an immediate neighbor of the one who like green. C sits immediate left of B. C doesn't like green. And B is immediate doesn't like green. B यहाँ आएगा तो C को यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा, तो B and C. If B यहाँ पे आता है तो C, फिर B and C. Immediate left, immediate left. The one who likes yellow sits third from to the left of the one who likes red. Two persons sit between D and the one who likes yellow. Okay. Okay. The one who like black and the one who like white sits in the left. White and black sits. The person who sits second to the right of the white face is not and does not like black. Okay. The one who like yellow sits third to the left of the one who likes red. Red one to yellow, red one to yellow, and red yellow. Okay. Two persons sit between D, yellow, one to D. Okay, yellow, one to D, one to D, yellow, one to D, red. The one who likes yellow sits third to the left, one to red. The one who like black and the one who like white sits immediate like black and white. Okay, black, E. What is the position of B with respect to the one who writes red? बट इसमें मुझे डायरेक्शन नहीं पता चली. A sits second from one of the extreme ends. Okay, one person and the one on the B is an immediate left of the one right, and C sits middle left of B. C doesn't like it. The one who like yellow sits third to the left of the one who likes red. Yellow. Second to the left. Four of the five are like similar in a certain way and form of C E. The one who likes green. Pink D. Pink. Home on the following statement F sits adjacent to the one who likes yellow. No. The one who likes pink faces north. No. The one person sits between E and D. नो बिकॉज साउथ के सभी है तो साउथ ही देखेंगे. सिट टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ एफ. 1 2 3. which are the following based he must B pink, C red, bread, butter, jam, milk, honey, and butter will be PM. Sugar spread. Flavor milk, honey. FG. Sugar will be if lemon tea milk is told as NMGXDV, lemon tea milk BV. Okay. Tea butter coffee, tea butter coffee will be GX. honey toffee, TYKY, bread flavor, ZTFG. F is greater than G, S, yes. D, B is greater than no. X is greater than J, T, S, H, H, J, Z. Okay. U is greater than equal to T, I, T, X, H. No. A is greater than equal to I and B, 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 L. And Y is greater than B, B is not either. How many pair of letters in the word which has many letters in them? S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, F, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, Q, S, T, E, F, G, H, I, E, F, G, H, O, P, and O, P, Q, C, D, C, D, E, 2. There are some people who all are sitting here facing the mirror. F6 array mark for review, and then okay, only difficult is exam, only a few level is difficult, no approach, no exam is approach, true or difficult are level, no. Some phone is small, only phone small is no big is pen, only a few pen is type, all small are type is a possibility, yes. No big is type, can't say. No river, ocean, all ocean are lake, only a few lakes are pond, some ocean are pond, हो सकते हैं, some ponds are not river. 9%, but the flow number 9, not all the consecutive, no. Consecutive, not all the persons live on consecutive floors, means 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. B lives on fifth floor, A lives 2 floors below D, A lives on C lives 3 floors above 1, 2, C. There are 3 floors below D, F. E lives above G, below G. Odd number floor, no? D, A, D, A. Okay, C lives 3 floors above. There are 3 floors between D and F. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. F. E lives above B, below G. I lives above H. Who live on third floor? D. How many persons live between A and I? Okay. Which of the following person live immediately below G? C. Who lives on the corner for G? F lives in E. I lives on the sixth floor. 3 persons live between G and A only first. Okay. Senior, this is a director is senior most. Okay. Director, general manager, DGM, SM, and E. 4, 5, 6. The one who is Dwade is designed T designation senior to the number of person design junior to L is one more than the number of design senior to T. L 1 to Dwade. The number of person design junior to L is one more than the number of person senior to T. Okay. Two persons are designing K and the one who is from Delhi. Delhi. O is designed senior to the one who is from Delhi but junior to M. O M. Two persons are designed between M and the one who is from Hyderabad. Hyderabad. The one who is from Kota is junior to DGM. J is designed immediately senior to the one who is from Kolkata. More than two persons are designed in Kolkata and Mumbai. Mumbai. Okay, whom the following is designed at SM. L. The one who is from Hyderabad. Whom the following city does K belong Mumbai. थोड़ा स्पीड में. How many persons are designed junior to K4? The number of persons designed senior to O is one more than the number of persons designed J. Whom the following combination O Mumbai GM and executive Kolkata. L Mumbai. No. J Delhi manager. There are some persons who are sitting now facing towards the north. F6. F6 to fifth to the right of K. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Only two persons sit between B and K. J 6, 7, B, K. 1, 2, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 5, 6, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G. H6, third to the right of G. H. 1, 2, H. A is the immediate neighbor of B. Less than 16%. D 6, fifth to the right. A 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. D A. A less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If O sits third to the right of F, then how many persons sit between K and O? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many persons sit between A and G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If P sits between K and A, then what is the position of P? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth to the right. If vowels are with just next letter, then इनमें personal respond. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है एक्चुअली, बट ट्राई कर लेते हैं. बैलेंस ए बी एल बी ई एफ ए जे के एल एम बी. Then Homer repeated in the move 36.8 means Mr.